to poke on Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to poke on your Facebook Lite account. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Facebook Lite, and after that just simply open that and just install the Facebook Lite application in your device. And once you're done downloading the Facebook Lite application in your mobile device, just simply open it, and after that just on the search bar just simply search for poke right there, and over here you will be able to see the option called poke your friends and see who has poked you. So just simply tap on it, and over here you will be able to see the list of the people who have poked you in your Facebook Lite account. You will also see the list of the people that you are following, for example your friends or your family, that you can go ahead and poke. So in order to poke them, you just simply have to tap on the poke section, and you will be able to poke your friends or family, whoever you want to. My Facebook account is brand new, that is why you can't see any friends or family in my Facebook account as of now. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to poke on Facebook Lite. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.